study fields showed you the right pathway, right? So what was the pathway? Which pathway you chose? Because I got to know that you did your first year here, yes, and after 13 years, then we showed you the right pathway because that was a major requirement. Can you just tell me about that? After he learned his German language, he did bachelor's at RWTH Accra, and after that, not only bachelor's, he also did his master's, and now he has been offered as doing PhD as a research scholar. So really proud.
So I chose the path where I finished my 13th year of education in a recognized university in India,
Okay.
and then applied to various universities in Germany. I'm very thankful to study fields and especially Ankush and Uncle Sir for showing me that path also existed,
Yes.
and that's why I got to enjoy both the Indian as well as the German college life.
You have experienced this, I would say, bachelor's in engineering in India also and in Germany also. What is the major difference you found? Because you did here first years, yes, you explored, and then suddenly you were landed to a German bachelor's, the German engineering system. So, what would you say? What was the difference, and what would you suggest?
One very big contrast was, at least in my university, they did not spoon feed the students at all. So students are expected, because everyone who's in the university there is 18 years or more, they expect them to act like adults.
Yes.
So they expect them to be independent, take responsibility for themselves, and they expect you to put in the effort the same way. Instead, compared to India, where you get all the notes from your professors, you do not experience the same thing in Germany. So you do have to put in the effort after classes to actually go through the material, fill in the blanks of knowledge, and then maybe even come back to the professor asking various questions to further deepen the knowledge. So you are expected to be much more independent. You're expected to be much more responsible for yourself.
Yes.
And the studies there in Germany, they taught me to actually dive much deeper into the subject rather than just learn for the examinations.
Yes.
So that was a very, very big difference in that.
Yes, that's true. Even when I went and I did my master's there, it was like more research based. They leave totally on you. Now this is the subject and you have to do your research. You have to do your work, bachelor work. At my time it was master work. So was it same with you? Like it was more practical based. You had to do research on your own. You had to, at the end, for every subject, you had to write a project basically. Now we have this German pathway program, okay? And in this German pathway program, now students don't need to wait. That means they can get their result in the starting of June only and they can apply. So what do you say about this program? Shall students get enrolled for this program? Because see, you have support also because you did your bachelor's here also, you got a pretty good exposure also. And on the other side, you had to wait to get yourself enrolled at German Public University. What do you say about this German Pathway program?
Obviously, I'm jealous. I had to do it back then and not now. Because it sounds like a wonderful program that actually does away with the need for that extra year between you getting your result and then missing all the deadlines for applying.
Yes.
Honestly, it sounds very nice in the sense that the moment you are done with your first year here, through this pathway program, you do not miss out on an entire year. And you can immediately apply for the universities and move to Germany as soon as possible. So it does sound like a very lovely program. As I said, I'm a little jealous it wasn't offered back in our times.
Now I am jealous because you did your bachelor's, master's, it's so good, and now you're doing your PhD there. And so that's wonderful, and you're happy with your decision, yes?
Absolutely, no regrets whatsoever.
Yes, okay. That's really nice. So that means you also suggest that students should get enrolled for this German Pathway program, yes, so that they can also study at RWTH Accra or other German public universities, yes?
Absolutely, absolutely.